Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Hope you're doing well. In today's video I'm going to share with you a very quick, simple and easy way to prepare a Moroccan and energetic mix called SELLOU. We are going to see the traditional twist. SELLOU is a key element in Ramadan Moroccan table. You will need roasted sesame seeds, roasted almonds, flour, butter, icing sugar, ground cinnamon, Arabic gum, nutmeg, ground anise. First, we need to prepare the ingredients. Flour. Spread the flour in the baking pan and place it in a preheated oven to 200 Celsius degrees. Stir the flour every 5 minutes until it has a deep golden brown color. Almonds. Roast raw almonds in the oven at 180 Celsius degrees before you place it in a food processor. Mix almonds with icing sugar. Sesame seeds. Place sesame seeds in a pan and roast them on a medium heat for a few minutes. Place sesame seeds in a food processor and mix with icing sugar until sesame seeds are half ground. Leave the rest of sesame seeds at the last step. Arabic gum. Place Arabic gum in a flat surface, add salt, and grind them with the bottom of a cup until you get a fine powder. Grate the nutmeg. In a large bowl, Combine the following ingredients: flour, almonds, sesame seeds, ground cinnamon, ground anise, Arabic gum, ground nutmeg, and mix. Add melted butter. Mix until all ingredients are combined. Knead SELLOU for 5 minutes until you get a homogeneous paste. You can present SELLOU as is in a plate or decorate it with blanched roasted almonds.